from the Congress party. And we have some more breaking updates as well coming in at this point in time as the Prime Minister welcomed Amir of Qatar. But there is politics that is continuing. This warm gesture of the Prime Minister is being criticized as well. Now we have a reaction coming in from Waris Pathan, who has hurled a fresh jibe at the Prime Minister. For more on this, let me straight away go across to my colleague Priya, who is joining us live from the newsroom. We also have with us my colleague Mohit live with us. Priya, over to you. What exactly has Waris Pathan said?
Right, pretty much the same sentiment that has been put forth by Supriya Srinath, but Waris Pathan of the AIMIM is now he's put out the visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi greeting the Emir of Qatar and said that Videshi Musalman se itna pyar mohabbat. While Supriya Srinath was making it about rich Muslims, Waris Pathan makes it about Muslims coming from overseas. He also goes on to conclude that Desi Musalman se nafrat, that there is hatred for those in India, Muslims in India, but there is love for Muslims coming from overseas. What is the basis of this conclusion? He is the best person to clarify. But the question that he's asking is why this discrimination between when it comes to the sentiments for Muslims from abroad and from within India.
All right, Priya, thank you for the moment for joining us with all of those details. Let me now go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt joining us live right now. Mohit, how has been the reaction from the Bharatiya Janata Party on these kind of comments coming in from leaders in the opposition, specifically the Congress party?
Well, in fact, we'll take that reaction directly from the national spokesperson of the Minority Morcha of the BJP, Yasir Jilani, because you see, the BJP has been saying this, that the Congress party, just for the sake of protesting, or sake of criticizing the government, is criticizing this particular step of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that he went to the airport, received the Emir of Qatar. But Qatar has been a very important partner when it comes to diplomatic relations, business relations, and strategic relations with India. Now, this is the second visit. In 2015, on the invitation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Emir of Qatar came to India. So India and Qatar share a very good business partnership, and that is why this visit is important. But the BJP says that the opposition is trying to just for the sake of protest is making such statement. Let's take that question to Yasir Jilani directly. Yasir, जिस प्रकार से प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी एयरपोर्ट गए, कतर के जो अमीर आए हैं, दूसरी बार आए हैं, सिर्फ वो अकेले नहीं आए, बिजनेस पार्टनर्स भी उनके साथ आए हैं, बिजनेस लीडर वहां से आए हैं, और एक जेस्चर दिखाया प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी ने प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ के उनको रिसीव करने का। कांग्रेस ने पहले सवाल उठाया, वारिस पठान अब ये कह रहे हैं कि विदेशी मुसलमान से इतना प्यार, अपने देश के मुसलमानों से नफरत, उसमें पूरी एक तरह से अपीसमेंट की राजनीति ले आए। क्या कहेंगे, पहला रिएक्शन क्या देंगे?
देखिए, कांग्रेस और वारिस पठान जैसे लोग भारत के संस्कार को समझ ही नहीं सकते। प्रधानमंत्री जी बार बार वसुदेव कुटुंबकम की बात करते हैं, पूरे विश्व को परिवार मानते हैं, और जब कतर के अमीर भारत की जमीन पे, धरती पे कदम रखते हैं तो प्रधानमंत्री खुद उनका स्वागत करते हैं। ये हमारा कल्चर है, हमारे संस्कार हैं। ये वो लोग हैं, वारिस पठान और कांग्रेस के जो लोग हैं, ये सिर्फ भारत के अंदर नफरत फैलाने का काम।
वो ये कह रहे हैं कि भारतीय मुसलमानों से आपको नफरत है, विदेशी मुसलमान से आपको मोहब्बत है, एक तरह से पूरी अपीसमेंट पॉलिटिक्स, वोट बैंक पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं, जबकि ये तो दो देशों की बात है। कतर एक इंपॉर्टेंट स्ट्रैटेजिक पार्टनर है भारत का।
वो इसीलिए जीरो होते जा रहे हैं। हर चुनाव में उनको जीरो मिलता है, फिर भी उन्हें समझ में नहीं आता है। भारत के भी मुसलमान और दोनों देश के मुसलमान, कतर में भारत के बहुत सादा मुसलमान वहां काम करते हैं, अपने जीवन को, अपने फैमिली को चलाते हैं, और आप उनका भी सम्मान नहीं कर रहे। मैं उन भारत के मुसलमानों को जो कतर में रहते हैं उनसे कहता हूं कि वो इन जैसे लोगों का बाइकॉट करें। वारिस पठान, एमआईएम और कांग्रेस के वो नेता जो आज इस तरह के सवाल कतर के साथ जो हमारी दोस्ती है उस पर उठा रहे हैं, और प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आप उनकी मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते। आप उनसे नफरत करके उन्हें गाली दीजिए वारिस पठान, लेकिन उन तक पहुंचने के लिए आपको अभी बहुत बड़ी राजनीति करनी है, असदुद्दीन ओवैसी और आपको।
So there you see, the BJP clearly said that it is vote bank politics, appeasement politics being done by the Congress party and Waris Pathan from the AIMIM. But then this is a gesture coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In past also we have seen many of the leaders or world leaders, they have been received by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the airport. And remember, the Qatar's emir is not coming alone over here. He's coming with various other business leaders, also with the diplomatic leaders. So then the meetings will take place. There will be a business summit that will take place. He's meeting Prime Minister today, all the top leadership. The CII also has organized a program. So we need to understand that how the important relationship of India with Qatar is, and it's also about the personal relationship of Prime Minister of Narendra Modi with the Emir of Qatar. And that is what the BJP says, that the Congress party and the opposition, they believe in appeasement politics. They believe in vote bank politics, and there is no need to do politics of appeasement on an issue which is of the national interest, on an issue which is of the diplomatic interest, and hence such kind of politics BJP says should not be played. Back to in studio.
And Mohit, the question that many are asking today is that is there a dearth of new issues within the opposition that, you know, these kind of issues are being raised? Because it's not the first time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone to receive a leader at the airport. We just started, you know, the story by showing to our viewers a number of such examples, a number of such leaders in the past who were received personally by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the airport. So why, you know, make this kind of a controversy this time when we know that there is a sizable amount of population, people from India who live and work in Qatar today?
Well, in fact, yes, there's a sizable amount of people from India who live in Qatar, and that is why Qatar has always welcomed India's friendship. And the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has this particular connect with the Emir of Qatar. And given the fact that, as we were discussing earlier, there are business interests of India and Qatar that will be discussed in this particular meeting. Qatar has been a partner of India, a loyal friend of India, and perhaps that is why we see that how the BJP says that the opposition party, specifically the Congress party, does not have any issue, and that is why they're attacking Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It's a gesture that is being undertaken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it's not the first time that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has broken all the protocols or has gone to the airport to receive a foreign dignitary. Earlier also he has done the same. So clearly what the BJP says, as you rightly pointed out, that opposition does not have any issue just to remain in the limelight. They're making such issue. This is what the BJP says. And when Waris Pathan says that the foreign Muslims are being welcomed in the country by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but there's a hatred towards Indian Muslims in the heart of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, this is clear vote bank and appeasement politics, the BJP says. And on such issues of diplomatic concern, which are very, very sensitive issues, politics should not be done.
All right, Mohit, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this developing story.